Hello children. Children, today we will do Unit 11 of your English grammar book, Superb English Grammar book, and that unit is about articles. Children, articles topic is not new to you. You must have studied about it in your previous class. That is use of a and the. You must have used these letters, these articles in your previous class. But in this class, you will study this in bit detail. Children, we know that there are five vowels in English alphabet, isn't it? There are five vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And rest of the letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. Five are vowels and rest of the letters are consonant. It means 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Total 26 letters are there in English alphabet. 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Out of those 26 letters, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Now children, we use A before a singular noun. Let me explain you. See. First of all, we have to know that A and the. All these three articles are used before nouns. Okay. And they are called articles. They are used before noun and they are called articles. Now, we use A and N, A and an. A and an before singular noun. We use A and an before singular noun. Singular noun means one name, one name. Either it can be name of a person, place, thing, or animal. But it should be one, singular. So we use A and N before a singular noun. But the difference is that A is used when the word begin with a consonant sound. We use A before a word that begins with any consonant letter, any consonant sound. Clear? Noun should be one. It should not be more than one. Noun should be one. Noun should not be more than one, and its spelling should start with any consonant sound, any consonant letter. Then we will use A. Clear? When A is used for the words, A is used for the nouns whose spelling starts with any consonant letter. For example, book. Spelling of book is B-O-O-K, book. And the spelling of book starts with B. Spelling starts with B. B is consonant. B is not vowel. B is consonant. So we will write a book. Okay. For example, pencil. 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 And spelling of pencil starts with P. It begins with P. And the letter P is not vowel. It is consonant. So we will say a pencil. Okay. One more example, flower. 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 So the spelling starts with F and F is not vowel. It is consonant. So we will say a flower. Okay. Now use of an. We use an before a singular noun, one noun, whose spelling starts with a vowel. Spelling starts with a vowel. Either it should start either with A, E, I, O, or U. The spelling should start with A, E, I, O, U, any of the letters. Then we will write an. Okay. So we use an before a singular noun whose spelling starts with a vowel. And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. So spelling of orange starts with O. And O is vowel. So we will say an orange. Okay. Apple. 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 Spelling starts with A. Spelling of apple starts with A, and A is a vowel. So we will say an apple. Clear? Let's take one more example. Umbrella. 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 Spelling starts with U. Spelling of umbrella starts with U. And U is a vowel. So we will say an umbrella. Clear? This is clear? Use of A and an is clear to all, to everybody. So we use an when the noun begins with vowel sound, and we use A when the noun begins with consonant sound. Okay. Now, if there are other words between the article and the noun, look for the sound at the beginning of the word. Look for the sound at the beginning of the word that comes after article. If it is consonant, use a. If it is vowel, we use an. For example, a big fat elephant. Okay, so B is consonant, so we'll say a big. Whether elephant, see, elephant starts with E, but the whole word starts with a big fat elephant. So big is B is consonant, so we'll write a big fat elephant. If we have to write elephant, we will write an elephant. If only elephant we have to write, then we'll write an elephant. But here the adjectives are used, big, fat. So we will see the first letter of the word. First letter of the word is B, and B is consonant. Same, an ugly building. So children, building. Spelling of building starts with B. B is consonant. So if we have to write only building, we will write a building. Okay, if we have to write only building, we will say a building. But here the word is used ugly building. So spelling UGLY. U is vowel. So we will write an ugly building. Clear? So I hope this is clear. Now use of the. Let me explain you. We use the with the noun that have already spoken about once. The noun about which we have already spoken once. Once we have spoken about them, if we want to repeat that noun, we say the. When we repeat the name of the noun, when we repeat the noun, we use the. I saw a black car. See, I saw a black car. Now here car, a black car, any black car. Okay, so a black car. And spelling of black starts with B. B is consonant, so we have written a black car. Now we are talking about the same black car. So we'll say the car was empty. Here the car was empty because we are talking about this particular car. Okay, we are talking about a particular car, that particular car about which we have said in the first sentence. I saw a black car and the black car was empty. Now here the car means the car about which we have talked in the first part of the sentence. So we have repeated the noun car, so we are using the. So we use the with the noun that we have already spoken about. Okay, now the is also used before the names of rivers, holy books, famous buildings. Okay, name the Ganga, the Yamuna, okay, the Kaveri, and holy books like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, and famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Lal Killa, the Vishwanath temple. Okay, so we, and third use, we also say the earth, the sky, the sun, the moon, which are unique, which are only one in the universe. There is only one earth, there is only one sky, there is only one sun, and there is only one moon for us. So use of the is clear. We use the when we repeat the noun in the same sentence. When we have talked about, we have already spoken about that noun once, we use the. For example, I saw a monkey. Now a monkey, because m is a consonant. I saw a monkey. The monkey was jumping. Now which monkey was jumping? The monkey which I saw, not any other monkey. The monkey which I saw, that particular monkey. So I'm using the word the. Clear? Now let's move on to the exercise of your grammar book. Okay. So children, this is unit 11 of your superb English grammar book. And children, this is about use of a and the, which is called articles. Children, in this unit, you will learn to use and the in the sentence. You will learn to use a and the in the sentences. Now children, at the beginning of the video, I've explained you about consonants and vowels, isn't it? I've told you that a or a is used before a single noun whose spelling starts with a consonant, or the noun, singular noun, starting with a consonant sound. Okay. And an is used before a singular noun whose spelling starts with a vowel sound. Clear? For example, here use of a box, a river, a zebra, a watch, a uniform. I'm circling this uniform to explain you later. First of all, let's understand a box. Now here B. Box, spelling of box starts with B. B is consonant. So we will use a box. B, box is a singular noun. Box is a singular noun. One box is there. So we will say a box, and B is consonant. A river, one river is there. Okay, and the spelling of river starts with consonant. R is a consonant, so we will say a river because there is one river and the spelling starts with consonant letter. Now a zebra. Here spelling of zebra starts with Z, and Z is a consonant. So we'll say a zebra, and zebra is single, one zebra. A watch. It means only one watch, not watches, one watch. And W is a consonant. Spelling of watch starts with W, and W is a consonant. So a watch. Now children, here a uniform. Here U is not consonant. U is vowel. Still we have used a. Why? Because the sound of U is U. Sound of U is U. Uniform. When the sound of U is U only, we use a before it. If there is singular noun whose spelling starts with U, listen carefully. If there is singular noun whose spelling starts with U and the sound is also U, as here uniform, spelling starts with U, so we will use a. If the spelling starts with U but the sound is a, then we will use an. For example, umbrella. Spelling starts with U, umbrella. Spelling starts with U, but the sound is a. Umbrella. We said a. Umbrella. When the spelling of U, when the sound of U is a, when the sound of U is a, we use an before it. Clear? Now let's move on. As I've explained you, an is used before a singular noun whose spelling starts with vowel sound. An apple, an igloo, an engineer, an ugly frog, an R. Now here H. I will circle this. As we know, spelling of apple starts with A. A is a vowel and there is only one apple, so we'll say an apple. Igloo. Spelling of igloo starts with I. I is a vowel. And there is one igloo, so we'll say an igloo. Same, engineer. Spelling of engineer starts with E. E is a vowel sound. So we will say an engineer because there is one engineer. An ugly frog. Children, frog, spelling of frog is F. F is consonant. But we are saying ugly frog. Frog is ugly. So U is vowel. And the sound of U is a. Ugly. So we will use An ugly frog. Frog is one, so an ugly frog. But here, an R. Spelling of R starts with H. H-O-U-R. Still, we have used an. Isn't it? We have used an. But I have told you an is used before a singular noun whose spelling starts with vowel. An is used before a singular noun whose spelling starts with vowel sound. But here, spelling is H. H is not vowel. H is consonant. Then why we have used an here? Children, we have used an because the sound is a. H is silent. H is silent. We are writing H. H-O-U-R. But we are pronouncing it R. A. An R. Honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. H-O-N-E-S-T. Spelling starts with H, but we are saying honest. Spelling is O. A. In that case, we will use an. An honest man. An honest boy. Clear? So, I think this part is clear. And children, a and an are indefinite articles and they are used with singular countable nouns, okay, which can be counted. The nouns which can be counted, okay. Okay, next let's come to the exercise part. So this is the first exercise. Write a or an or x where required. X refers to where a or an both cannot be used. There you have to put x. Okay. For example, first one is done for you. In the first one, it is written x legs. Why it is written x? Why it is written x? Because legs. The word legs is plural noun, and a and or an is used for singular noun. A or an is used for singular noun and legs is our plural noun. So we will put x where a and an are not applicable, cannot be used. At that place we have to put x. Now number two is arm. So the spelling starts with vowel a. So we will write an arm. An arm. Then ice cream. Spelling of ice cream starts with I. I is a vowel. So we'll say an ice cream. Then number 4, temple. Spelling of temple starts with T. And T is not vowel. T is consonant. It has consonant sound. So we'll say a temple. Then we have number 5, eagle. Spelling of eagle starts with E. And E is a vowel. So we'll say an eagle. Okay? An eagle. Next, number 6, room. Spelling of room starts with R. R is a consonant, not vowel. It's a consonant, so we'll say a. Okay? A room. Then number 7, phone. Spelling of phone starts with P. P is a consonant. And one phone, so we'll say a phone. Children, as you can see here, arm is only one arm. Ice cream, only one ice cream. Temple, only one temple. Eagle, only one eagle. And room, only one room. So this shows that a or an is used only for singular noun, one noun. Now next, uh, dresses. Now children, we will put x here. Why? Because this is not singular noun, this is plural. Dresses. This is not dress, it is dresses. Next is orange. Now spelling of orange is O. Starts with O. Vowel O. So we'll say an orange because there is only one orange, not more oranges, only one orange. Then we have next 10th number is computers. Sorry, computer. So first word starts with, first letter starts with, letter is C. The word computer starts with C. C is a consonant. So we'll say a computer because there is only one computer. Number 11. Number 11 is uncle. U. It starts with vowel U and the sound is a. Sound is a. Uncle. So we'll say an uncle. An uncle. Number 12 is album. Spelling of album is A and A is vowel. So we'll say an album. An album. Okay. So this is done. Let's revise it once again. First one is cross because legs is plural noun. So we'll put X or cross. Number two, arm. An arm because spelling A is a vowel. An arm. Number three is ice cream. An ice cream because one ice cream is there and spelling of ice cream is I. I is a vowel. So an ice cream. Number four, temple. Spelling starts with T. T is a consonant. So we'll put a temple, and because temple is a singular noun. So we'll say a temple. Okay, no cross. Then number five, eagle. One eagle. Eagle is one eagle, means one noun. And spelling starts with E. E is a vowel. So we'll say an eagle. Number six, room. Room is a room is single room, one room. So and spelling starts with R. R is consonant. So I'll say a room. Then seven, phone. Phone, one phone, one phone. So it's a singular noun and spelling starts with P, consonant P. So we'll say a phone. Then number eight, dresses. Dresses is plural noun. So no a, no an. Neither a nor an can be used because dresses is a plural noun. So we will put a cross on eighth one. We'll put a cross. The ninth, orange. One orange, single orange. So we'll say an orange because O is vowel. Then computer. One computer, single computer, and C is consonant. So we'll say a computer. Then uncle. One uncle, single uncle. Spelling starts with U. U is the vowel and sound of U is a. Uncle. So an uncle. Number 12, album. Album spelling starts with A. A is a vowel and album is one album, singular noun. So an album. This is clear? Now moving on to the next. Fill in the blanks with A and or an option. Either A or an. And let's do this. I hope the use of A and an is clear to you. So first one. Ritu is eating blank apple and blank banana. Ritu is eating blank no apple. Spelling of apple starts with A. A is a vowel and there is one apple. So we'll say an apple. Okay. And a banana. Why a banana? Because spelling starts with B. B is consonant and there is only one banana. So an apple, a banana. Ritu is eating an apple and a banana. Then number two, blank ostrich is blank flightless bird. Now ostrich, spelling of ostrich starts with O. O is vowel and ostrich is one. So an ostrich is a flightless bird. Why a? Because spelling of flightless is F. Okay, and F is consonant. Bird is also B starts with consonant sound. So flightless bird, a flightless bird. Number three. Number three, blank crocodile is swimming in the river. Now crocodile, there is one crocodile. Crocodiles, it's not written crocodiles, only crocodile. So one crocodile and spelling is starting with C. which is consonant. C is consonant, so we'll say a crocodile. A crocodile is swimming in the river. I hope you are understanding, children. Now, number 4. Blank poor man had a blank axe. Now, poor man. Spelling of poor starts with P. P is consonant. So, a poor man had an axe. Why an axe? Because axe is singular noun, one axe, and spelling starts with vowel A. And we know that we have to put an before vowel and a before consonant words. Then number 5. There is blank parrot in the cage. Now parrot. Children, we have to see the noun, and because we have to put a or an before the noun, isn't it? We have to put a or an before the singular noun. So we have to see the spelling of noun. We have to check only the spelling of the noun before which we have to put a or an. We have to see this, we have to check the spelling of noun before which we have to put a or an. Okay, since this is the sentence is there is blank parrot in the cage. Now we have to see the spelling of parrot, because before parrot we have to put a or an. So we'll check the spelling of parrot, and parrot starts with consonant P. So we always use a before consonant, so we'll write a. There is a parrot in the cage. Children, you can say there is a parrot in the cage, or there is a parrot in the cage. You can, both are right, both are correct. Now again, in sixth one, we have to check the spelling of the word before which we have to put a or an. We have to check the word before which we have to put a or an. So here the word is honest. Children, I'm calling it honest because h is silent. The letter h is silent. Sound is o, and o is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. O, A, E, I, O, U. So we'll put am. Harsh is an honest boy. Clear? This I have explained you before, at the beginning of this video. Then number 7. Blank umbrella is blank useful thing. So we'll say an umbrella is a useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. Now children, you have to pay attention here. You have to see here very carefully. Let me zoom it so that it will be easy for you. See, now I'll explain you this part. Here two u's are there. You, here also you, here also you. Here we are using an, here we are using a. Reason I have explained you, but again I'm explaining you. Here an umbrella, we'll say an umbrella because umbrella is one, umbrella is singular noun, and the sound of u is a. Umbrella, a. Sound of u is a, so we'll put an, because I've told you that if the sound of u is a, we will put an before it. And if the sound of u is u, sound of u is u, then we'll put a. Then we'll put a or a. So here sound of u, useful. When we say useful, spelling of useful starts with u. Sound of u is u. Sound of u is u. So we'll say a useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. I hope this is clear. Now coming to eighth one. I saw blank child crying loudly. Now here, as I have told you, you have to check the word before which you have to put a or an. And here the word is child, and child starts with consonant C. The spelling starts with consonant C. So I saw a child crying loudly. I hope this is also clear. Ritu is eating an apple and a banana. Number 2, an ostrich is a flightless bird. Number 3, a crocodile is swimming in the river. Number 4, a poor man had an axe. Number 5, there is a parrot in the cage. Harsh is an honest boy. Number 7, an umbrella is a useful thing. Number 8, I saw a child crying loudly. Next, the is also an article. The is also an article. It is definite article. It is definite article. We use the for particular thing. We use the for particular thing. This also I've explained at the beginning of the video. We also use the before some proper nouns. Otherwise, we don't use the before proper nouns. As per the rule, we don't use the before proper noun, but in some cases, we use the before proper nouns. We also use the before unique things, which are one of their kind, which are unique in the universe, and they are one of their kind. There is no other thing like that. When there is no other thing like that, we use the before that, which means that we use the before unique things. Unique things, children, are those things we don't have any other thing like that. If we don't have any other object, any other thing like that, we use the before that. Like the sky, we don't have any other sky. When we say the earth, we don't have any other earth. When we say the sun, it means we don't have any other sun. This is the unique piece. So we use the. And we also use the before a noun which is talked about a second time, which is repeated in the sentence. When we repeat the sound, when we repeat the noun in the sentence, when we talk about that particular noun, we use the. Clear? We use the for particular things. We use the before some proper nouns. We use the before unique things which are one of the kind, and we use the before the noun which is spoken about, which is talked about in a sentence second time. Okay, now moving on to the exercise. Read the following examples. Close the window. Now here, the window, we are talking about particular window. Close a window means any window. Any window, you can close any window. Close a window, any one window. But when we say close the window, it means we are talking about particular window. Close the window. Then turn off the tap means the particular tap. You have to turn off the tap. And when we say turn off a tap, you can turn off any tap. But when we are talking about the tap, means particular tap. Then the sun is shining brightly in the sky. Now, the sun, the sky. Children, sun is unique. It is one of a kind. There is no other sun in the sky. It's a unique thing, one of a kind. And the sky, there's only one sky, unique. So we say the sun and the sky. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Then number fourth, the earth. The earth is round. Again, earth is only one in the universe. Only one earth is there. It's a unique thing, unique name. So the earth is round. It is one of a kind. There is no other earth. So the earth. Then number five. I have a basket. The basket is full of fruits. Now I have a basket and the basket. Because this word basket is repeated. This noun, the noun is repeated. Basket is repeated. In the first part we said I have a basket. It's any basket, I have a basket. The basket is full of fruits. Now the basket, which basket? This one, about which we have talked in the first part of the sentence. The basket is full of fruits. No other basket is full of fruits, but the basket about which we have talked in the first part of the sentence is full of fruits. Okay. I have a basket. It means any one basket I have, and the basket is full of fruits. Now, the basket which is full of fruit is the same basket which I have. It is the same basket which I have, and that basket is full of fruits. It means that particular basket. Okay, that particular basket is full of fruits and no other baskets. So here the noun is used second time in the sentence. The same noun is used second time in the sentence. That's why we are using the. Okay. Okay. Number six, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Now, the Taj Mahal is a proper noun and it's a unique thing. It's one of a kind and it's a famous monument. So we are using the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. This is clear. Now, children, we have one exercise. Let's do this. Fill in the blanks with a and the. Now, the concept of a and the is clear, so we can do this easily. We can do this easily, isn't it? Now, first one. I bought a pencil. I bought, sorry, a pencil and an eraser. No. A pencil because P is consonant. An eraser because E is vowel. I bought a pencil and eraser. Now we'll say the pencil was costly, but the eraser was cheap. Now, in the second part, we are using the for pencil and the for eraser because it is the same pencil which we have bought. The word pencil is repeated in the sentence. The word eraser is repeated in the sentence. The pencil was costly. The pencil which I bought was costly. That's why the pencil. And eraser which I bought, the same eraser was cheap. So the eraser. Because we are talking about the same pencil and same eraser. That's why we are using the in the second part of the sentence. I bought a pencil and an eraser. The pencil was costly, but the eraser was cheap. I hope this is clear. Number two, look at the stars twinkling in the sky because the stars are unique, the sky is unique. There's no other, there are no other stars, there is no other sky. They are unique, they are one of their kinds. Number three, the Yamuna is a long river. Now, the Yamuna, because Yamuna is a particular name of a particular river. It's a name of a particular river. So, it's a the Yamuna is a long river because L spelling starts with consonant L. L is consonant. So, the Yamuna is a long river. Number four, the Quran is a holy book of Muslims. Now, the Quran, because it is a particular book, we write the before holy books. We write the before the names of rivers. We write the before names of holy books. We write the before names of mountains, names of newspaper. We use the before names of newspapers. So the Quran is a holy book of Muslims. So we will say the Quran is a holy book of Muslims. Number five, the Gita, because Gita is holy book of Hindus. So the Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. Okay, both are proper noun, particular things. The Gita, because holy book, and the Hindu is particular religion. So the Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. Number six, a monkey and an alligator were friends. A monkey because M is consonant. M of monkey is consonant, so a monkey. And an alligator because spelling of alligator is A. It starts with A. A is vowel. So a monkey and an alligator were friends. Now number seven. Manu has a computer. Manu has a computer because C is consonant. He plays game on the computer because it is the same computer. The noun is repeated. The noun is repeated and the computer is the same computer which Manu has. Manu has a computer and he plays game on the computer. Now number 8. I am an Indian. I salute The flag of India. Because an Indian, I is consonant. So, and I'm an Indian. I salute the flag of India because the flag of India is particular thing. It's unique. So I salute the flag of India. Number 9, the sun rises in the east. East is one particular direction, there is no other direction. Like east is one direction, and the sun is one in universe. So the sun rises in the east. The sun is particular thing, and east is also particular direction. Then number 10, the Rajdhani Express is a very fast train. The Rajdhani Express, because the Rajdhani is the name of a particular train. It's a name of a particular train. It's not any train. It's a particular train. So the Rajdhani Express is a very fast train because V is consonant. A very fast train. This is done. This exercise is over. Now coming to the fifth one. Cross out the wrong articles in the following sentences. Now what you have to do, you have to cross out the wrong article, and right one is, you have to leave the right one and you have to cross the wrong one. Okay, cross it. Number 1, an or the Indian team won the match. An Indian team won the match or the Indian team won the match? Children, the Indian team, because it is the particular team. It is the particular team which won the match. The Indian team won the match. Number 2, a red fort, yeah, the red fort was built by Shah Jahan. Children, here we will use the red fort because we are talking about particular monument, a historical monument. Children, we use the before historical monuments. As I told you, we use the before the names of newspapers, names of rivers, names of mountains, names of holy books. So, in the same way, that because Red Fort is a historical monument, a particular thing, we will say the Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan. An hen or a hen lays an egg. Children, a hen, because a hen is any hen, and spelling of hen starts with H. H is consonant, so a hen lays eggs. Then, sorry, the earth, yeah, an earth is our planet. An earth means there are many earths and among them one earth. But when we say the earth, it means particular earth. It is about particular thing because earth is only one. It's a unique piece. It's one of a kind. It's one of a kind. There is no other earth. So the earth is our planet. There is no other earth. Okay. Number 5. The fairy, yeah, and fairy had a magic, yeah, and magic band. Now here, and fairy nahi, will you say the fairy? Because we're talking about particular fairy. And that particular fairy had a magic wand because spelling of magic starts with M. M is consonant. M is consonant. So the particular fairy had a magic wand. The fairy had a magic wand. Number 6. A octopus, yeah, an octopus lives in an sea, yeah, the sea. Now, children, an octopus because spelling of octopus starts with O. O is vowel. So, an octopus, one octopus lives in an sea. It's the sea. Will not write an sea, the sea. It lives in the particular sea. An octopus lives in the sea. This is also over. Now coming to the fun time. Write nouns which can be used with these articles. You have to write the names of noun. A bottle. You can, children, this is very easy. You can write any word, any noun that starts with consonant for A. Here you can write any noun, any singular noun whose spelling starts with consonant, like book, a pencil, a pen, Okay, a notebook, a cup, a cap, then an. Any singular noun whose spelling starts with vowel. Any singular noun whose spelling starts with vowel. An engine, an eagle, an inkpot, an orange, um, then an igloo, okay, an aeroplane. So this is done. Now the. Here you have to write the particular thing, the unique thing, like the Arabian Sea, the Indian Express, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Okay, you can write anything. The Ramayana, the Mahabharat. Here you can write name of. Here you can write name of any holy book, any river, any mountain, the Himalayas. You can write any name of any holy book, name of any newspaper, name of any train, particular train. Okay, so this is, I think, clear. This exercise is clear. Children, with this, we come to the end of this unit. I hope this is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, we'll discuss it in the meeting when we have the meeting of this particular topic. Okay. Thank you.